Is the future of South Africa's digital world already being rewritten before our eyes? A revolutionary expansion in fast, reliable internet access isn't just on the horizon. It's happening now. But here's where the story truly gets interesting. Nokia has been chosen by INX-ZA, the Internet Exchange Point arm of South Africa's Internet Service Provider Association, ISPA, to reimagine the very backbone of the nation's data exchange. What does this mean for everyday users and businesses? Imagine instantly connecting to rich online content, video calls that rarely stutter, and lightning-fast download speeds, even during peak hours. With Nokia's state-of-the-art IP routing technology, INX-ZA is rolling out cutting-edge 400G, that's 400 gigabits per second, services and expanding its existing 100G offerings to support more customers than ever across the entire country. But here's the part most people overlook. Internet exchange points, IXPs, may not grab headlines, but they're the digital crossroads that keep data flowing smoothly inside national borders. In Africa, many IXPs still operate on outdated networks. Think highways built for bicycles, not high-speed trains. This outdated technology holds back everyone, from solo web surfers to massive cloud providers. INX-ZA's partnership with Nokia marks a decisive break from the past. Introducing a system that's scalable, energy efficient, and ready to handle tomorrow's growth. Kicking off in Johannesburg, the site of JINX, Africa's oldest and arguably most reliable internet exchange point, which hasn't seen a moment's downtime since 1996. Nokia's upgrade will soon spread to Cape Town and Durban. Johannesburg itself is planning a bold expansion, from 7 data centers currently to at least 10 by the end of the year. It's all powered by Nokia's powerful 7250 interconnect routers and their advanced Service Router Operating System, SROS. The first phase alone will see 30 new high-performance platforms deployed, ensuring JINX not only maintains its legendary reliability, but also grows to reach more partners and businesses. For tech enthusiasts, this means something special. South African ISPs, cloud companies, and enterprises will have access to network speeds and scalability on par with major international markets. A major leap forward from the often problematic, congested legacy setups of the past. Notably, these new services offer expanded possibilities for peering partners and ISPs, connecting data centers and points of presence, POPs, with robust 400G links, a feature that was previously out of reach for the region, and this could spark debate. Does this updated infrastructure signal Africa's digital coming of age, or will legacy challenges continue to haunt the network? How quickly will smaller communities and startups see the benefits of all this new capacity? Nishao Goberdhan, INX-ZA's general manager, captured the moment best. Modernizing with Nokia's 400G ready technology isn't just about speed. It's about changing the very way our country stays connected. More than greater availability, it's about reliability and sustainability, giving our community the absolute best standards while pushing the boundaries of what's possible for South Africa's digital future. Echoing this vision, Tony Pellegrino, Nokia's head of network infrastructure for the region, noted the increasing demand driven by both homegrown content and businesses moving to the cloud. INX-ZA's passion for technical excellence matches our own commitment to providing platforms that are both flexible and open. With SR Linux and automation, we're facilitating today's needs and tomorrow's breakthroughs. As these upgrades begin reshaping how South Africans connect, the broader question is, will these new advancements truly democratize high-speed internet? Or will access remain concentrated in key cities? Are we seeing the first step in solving the continent's digital divide? or just another chapter in the tech haves and have-nots debate? What's your take on this transformation? Do you think this is the breakthrough South Africa needed? Or is it simply a good start with bigger battles still ahead? Share your thoughts and let the discussion begin.